Are you burned out? Struggling to nail the projects you want? Or flip-flopping between tech stacks and failed processes? Or maybe your clients are confused on what you even do? No, these are not the top 5 reasons to quit your business. They are the most common problems that arise from not having a well-defined niche. A niche is a specialized segment of the market for your service. In the web design world, this could take the form of a type of client like coaches, or a type of website like membership websites. Some niches are broad, while some combine types of clients and websites together. For example, membership websites for coaches. Regardless of how broad or specific you are, defining a niche is important to business growth and stability. In this course, we will review the steps you need to take to define your niche, discovering what types of projects or people you serve best, and how to position yourself so you stand out from the competition. Our lessons for this course include worksheets to help you define your niche and set up your ideal client profile. Then, we'll explore how to reach out to those in your niche and communicate to them with language they understand. Finally, we'll review the principles of content creation to communicate your niche on what you do, as well as ways to build your network for referrals. If you've already niched down in your business but are looking to expand or even shift to another niche, you'll also find value in the lessons and worksheets of this course. Keep in mind, this isn't about committing to a niche and never letting go. It's an exploratory process for you to become a better website designer or developer as you define who it is you serve best. Discovering your niche is about how to attract more clients to you, not limit you. By going through this course, you'll narrow your business in a way that will avoid burnout, get you the projects you want, empower you to move forward with the right tools and processes, as well as make you the best choice for your ideal client.